In a world where mental health is paramount, self-care emerges as a vital tool for nurturing our well-being. Join us on a transformative journey as we delve into the depths of mental wellness, exploring the significance of self-care practices tailored to enhance every aspect of your life. Let's get started. Awareness of mental health and personal welfare is essential for people's health, which covers not only the symptoms of psychological disorders, but also emotions, mood, and social relationships. Self-care entails the purposeful actions taken for mental, physical, and emotional health, tailored to the needs of each person. Some important practices are shaping priorities, practicing gratitude, getting enough sleep, performing exercises, eating healthy, consulting a counselor or therapist, journaling, participating in hobbies, and integrating into the community. Routine demeanor produces slips such as confidence, creativity, productivity, joy, better decisions, solid relationships, effective communication, and the like. Mental health definition: psychological, social, and emotional well-being affects thoughts, feelings, actions, stress management, relationships, and decision-making. This vital part of health affects relationships, careers, education, and long-term goals. Positive mental health helps people complete daily tasks, maintain relationships, and enjoy meaningful activities. Mental health issues can have serious consequences if left untreated, so prioritizing them is crucial. Common mental health issues, depression, anxiety, and stress, affect a large portion of the population. U.S. statistics show these issues are common. Anxiety disorders affect 42.5 million Americans, with a lifetime prevalence of 31.6%. Popular mental illnesses in America include anxiety disorders. 8.4% of U.S. adults, or 21 million, have major depression. Common mental illnesses include major depression. Stress. Stress is a common mental health issue that can cause many problems if not managed. The prevalence of mental health issues in the U.S. highlights the need for awareness, early intervention, and support to reduce the burden these issues place on individuals and society. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health tips and advice. Indications. Proactive well-being requires recognizing mental health symptoms. Excessive worrying or fear, feeling excessively sad, confused thinking, extreme mood changes, avoiding social activities, sleeping and eating habits, changes, difficulty concentrating, distorted reality perception, inability to complete daily tasks, and suicidal thoughts are key. Recognition of these symptoms early allows for intervention and support to improve mental health. Open conversations about mental health and seeking help are essential to well-being. Self-care importance. To develop resilience against life's challenges, one must intentionally take care of one's physical, mental, spiritual, and emotional well-being. It includes taking care of yourself, eating healthily, exercising, staying in touch, getting enough sleep, and engaging in enjoyable activities. Activities for self-care can be tailored to enhance well-being, stress reduction, and mental health. Care for oneself. Self-care daily is one of how to deal with mental health risks such as stress and anxiety. Balanced eating, proper sleep, support from other people, mindfulness meditation, progressive muscle relaxation, regular physical activities, time management, hobbies, and beautiful calming things such as music are all examples of practical advice. Adoption of these techniques daily may improve the quality of life, reduce stress levels, and, at the same time, increase the ability to overcome life's challenges and the feeling of enhancing mental outlook. Remember that self-care is individualized. Therefore, the process of finding the right approach that works is trial and error. Asking for help. The first step in overcoming issues and enhancing mental wellness is unquestionably seeking professional assistance when facing psychological challenges. An appointment with a therapist is recommended for quite a few reasons, like early detection, overcoming the challenges the individual way, the tools and sources for a lifetime, and erasing the stigma from the minds. Specialists from a health center can provide appropriate solutions, help, and techniques of coping to improve the mental condition of individuals and fellow humans. Personal testimonies, testimonials, and anecdotes demonstrate how self-care enhances mental health and general well-being. Key observations from patients with mental illness. Self-care enhances mental health. Optimism and feelings of self-worth are all enhanced by self-care. Happiness, productivity, and self-assurance can all rise. Self-care. Taking deliberate care of oneself enables one to control one's mental and emotional well-being. Smiling and confident. Self-care helps pinpoint the causes of worsening symptoms and raises emotional awareness. Empirical data demonstrates that self-care improves happiness and adaptability while lowering anxiety and despair. It takes regular exercise, a balanced diet, rest, and good sleep to improve mental wellness. People who include self-care in their daily routines report feeling more robust, self-assured, and capable of overcoming obstacles in life. Anecdotes from personal experience show how self-care can enhance mental health and reduce stress and anxiety. Anecdotes from personal experience highlight how crucial self-care is to resilience and mental health. Others may be inspired to undertake self-care for mental health by hearing about others' experiences. Thank you so much for joining. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content.